At JIFCO Recruitment, we make it simple, legal, and safe. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply for an overseas job through JIFCO. Start by contacting us through our official channels. You can reach us by WhatsApp, email, or visit our website to view current job openings. Make sure you prepare your basic documents, your passport, national ID, and your CV with clear, updated details. Once we receive your application, our team will review your profile and shortlist you for suitable jobs based on your skills and experience. You may be scheduled for an interview or a trade test, depending on the job role and the employer's request. If you pass the selection process, we'll explain the contract details to you. We make sure everything is clear: salary, job duties, accommodation, work hours, and leave. You'll only sign once you're fully informed. Next, we guide you through medical tests, SLBFE registration, and visa processing. JIFCO will ensure that all steps are completed legally and your documents are submitted on time. Before you depart, you'll attend a pre-departure orientation. We'll brief you on your rights, responsibilities, safety guidelines, and what to expect when you arrive in your new country. Even after you leave Sri Lanka, JIFCO stays in touch. If you face any issues with your employer, contract, or safety, we're here to help. Your journey doesn't end at the airport, and neither does our responsibility. At JIFCO, we've helped thousands of Sri Lankans start their overseas careers with confidence. Now it's your turn. Visit www.jifcorecruitment.com to view current openings. Your email info@jifcorecruitment.com. Apply the right way. Work the right way. Choose JIFCO Recruitment.